Good day everyone. I am Rizal Agpuldo, a BSE student at Apayao State College, major in mathematics. So now, let's talk about the history of mathematics in medieval and Renaissance period. In medieval period, it begins in the 4th to 15th centuries, and also it is what we call the period of stagnation. Their number system is different from today. Here's an example. So, this example is what we call the Cistercian numerals. Cistercian numerals were used across Europe by the Cistercian monks during the late medieval period as an alternative to Roman numerals. So, are you familiar with Roman numerals? I guess so. Roman numerals, a numeral system that originated in ancient Rome and remained the usual way of writing numbers throughout Europe. Numbers are written with combinations of letters from the Latin alphabet, each letter with the fixed integer value. So here's an example. So the number 1 is the letter I, and then the letter V represents for the number 5, and the letter X represents the number 10. And the letter L represents the number 50. The letter C represents 100. And the letter D represents 500. And letter M for 1000. Now, let's move to the Renaissance period. Renaissance period began in the 14th to 16th century. It is the new way of thinking, and the concept of zero was introduced. Their number system is what we call the Maya numerals. The Maya numeral system was the system to represent numbers and calendar dates in the Maya civilization. It was a vigesimal or base 20 positional numeral system. The numerals are made up of 3 symbols. So 0 or a shell, 1 or a dot, and 5 or a bar. So here's an example. So as you can see from the example given, a shell represents for the number 0, and dot for the number 1, and a bar for the number 5. So all the numbers given is composed of a shell, a dot, and a bar. So to sum it up, the number systems in the medieval period are the Cistercian numerals and Roman numerals. And in the Renaissance period, the number system is the Maya numerals. So that's all. I hope you learned something and enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.